So now let's dive into COD funnels. Cash-on-delivery funnels are among the most popular templates here in LightFunnels, and they're in high demand due to their effectiveness in specific markets. There's a substantial market for these templates, making them a great option for sellers. In this COD funnel, we've used the same styles as the previous dropshipping and digital funnels, but with significant differences tailored to the unique needs of COD. Cash-on-delivery funnels are typically targeted at local niches, and one of the most critical aspects is to provide clear, prominent information about the payment method and delivery process. It's essential to clarify to visitors that they won't need to pay until delivery. A key difference with COD funnels is that the checkout form is integrated directly on the product page. This form requires only minimal information, as the seller will later confirm the order with the customer and gather additional details. In COD funnels, the product page is the central page where the order is processed, making it crucial to optimize this page for conversion and clarity. Cash-on-delivery funnels also includes upsells and downsells, maintaining the same concept as other funnel types, but adapted to the COD model. For added flexibility, a separate checkout page can also be included in COD funnels. Some users might prefer this option, but it should only require the necessary inputs, keeping the process straightforward and efficient. Now that our template is complete and polished, in the next video, we'll dive into the listing and submission process. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your template live in the LightFunnels template store. See you in there.